Let's go to Caymanas Park now, shall we? The overnight favorite for the 2,000 guineas, or winter book favorite for the 2,000 guineas, had a flop in today's feature event at Caymanas Park, where trainer Gary Subratie saddled the top three. Last year's champion 2-year-old and 2,000 guineas winter book favorite with Jamaican was expected to romp the 6th running of the 7.5 furlong Kingston event, another major prep for the upcoming classics. However, it turned out to be anything but for the huge 1-5 favorite. The Gary Subratie trained Salute the Don under veteran Ian Dolly Baby Spence attempted to go from gate to wire, but was caught by stable companion Stardom under former champion jockey Dane Dawkins inside the last half a furlong.
Also in it, just out wide and coming on, that's We Jamming, but it's Salute the Don still in front, turning their bat at the furlong pole. Salute the Don also coming on, that's God's Plan. Salute the Don still in front of God's Plan, also coming down into it, that's Stardom. It's Salute the Don still turning them back, coming with a half a furlong to go. Here comes Stardom up the inside rail, and Stardom, Salute the Don, Stardom, Salute the Don. Stardom now goes on to win the Kingston from Salute the Don. Then comes God's Plan.
The 3-year-old Bay Colt, who went off at 13-1, covered the trip in a minute 33 and 2/5 of a second after splits of 23-4, 46-4 and 112-4, winning by a half a length. 21-1 outsider God's Plan completed the trifecta for trainer Subratie, while with Jamaican could only manage 6th in the 10-horse field.
To get a good break, and he jumped well. In a long while he never used to jump that sharp, and he jumped sharp today. And I leave him, he go up in the race, leave him there, relax him as best as I can.
I never look easy after the last race, the trials. We had some little issues with Stardom breaking. Dane seemed to know him well. He asked me to give he wanted to ride him the next time he runs, so I said okay, because I didn't really want to take him off Salute the Don, but he wanted to ride on Stardom. I guess he know what he has. I'm really pleased with both of them. All three came first three, and I'm very pleased with them because they were training really well.
3-time former champion jockey Anthony Thomas, who is back home for the weekend, recorded a double along with Robert Halladine and Tevin Foster, while champion trainer Jason Acosta and Greg Fennell had 2 wins each in their category. Racing continues on Sunday with a 10-race card featuring the 6th running of the Portmore event, a graded stakes classic prep for native-bred 3-year-old fillies. First post is 11:50 a.m.